Dynamic Precision has been operating since 1963, and we are working in different kind of businesses. One is medical, where we actually are life-saving, and to be sure that we are producing the correct quality, we use RunBase. RunBase is, for us, very important.
It was a very fast process when we decided to implement RunBase. We did the switch in 6 months, so it was a huge of work, both from our side and RunBase side. And the main reason why we decided to use RunBase in the future was that they deliver open API, so we can still use a lot of applications we have in the factory that we need to still use after the implementation. We need to integrate our repair solution because it's a high-end repair solution that no other ERP system can deliver today, so we need to have it in our house as an application.
Every operation I do, I mainly do in RunBase. My function here at Dynamic Precision is to take care of orders from our customers and see to it that we have them produced and delivered in time.
We were looking for something that was future safe, web-based, easy to manage, and among the ones we were looking for, it was only RunBase fulfilling that. The change of the ERP system is setting us for the future and will keep us in front of the electronic industry for many years ahead.